What you doing, Miss Annabelle?
This.
What are you getting?
This.
Oh, what is that?
This.
It's to the TV, right? It's time for bed.
This.
Is that your nightie? Hi there. Can you say hi? Where's Annabelle's nose? That's right. Where's Annabelle's ears? Yay! Hair? Where's your hair? Where's your teeth? That's right. Hi. You like giving kisses, don't you, huh? Hi. It's cold outside. Annabelle's finally using some of her winter hand-me-downs.
This.
Yes, and I love the red on her.
This.
Hello. Are you going to try to take that apart? Can you say stop?
Stop.
That's right. Stomp. That's right. Can you say stomp, stomp, stomp? Stomp, stomp, stomp. Can you do it?
Stop.
That's right. Stomp.
And this.
Uh-huh.
This. This.
You ready for night-night? You ready to go to bed?